Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your WhatsApp photos not downloading to your gallery. So if you want to download all your WhatsApp photos automatically, but they're not downloading to your gallery, then this is the video for you. So to fix this problem, first things first, head over to the WhatsApp app. And once you're on WhatsApp, you'll want to click on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. So it'll be right in the bottom corner and it'll have a gear right above it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page right here. And here, you want to click on Storage and Data right beneath Notifications. Once you click on Storage and Data, you'll be brought to this page. Here, you have to click on Photos, which is in the Media Auto Download. So the problem is probably in this section right here. So click on Photos and make sure that it's not checked on Never, but is put on Wi-Fi or cellular data and Wi-Fi. Because if it's on Never, it will never download it and you will never have it downloaded to your phone. So you can just go through all of these options and turn them to Wi-Fi or cellular data and Wi-Fi so that they will always download straight to your phone. So this should fix your problem of your photos not downloading to your phone automatically. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.